Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make a mouth-watering recipe, Mexican street corn pasta salad. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of cooked pasta, 2 cups of grilled corn kernel, half a cup of crumbled cotija cheese, a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt and pepper to taste, a drizzle of olive oil. Now, let's put this delicious salad together. First, let's grill our corn. Brush the corn with a little olive oil, then grill it until you get those beautiful charred marks. Once it's done, let it cool for a bit, and then cut the kernels off the cob. Next up, in a mixing bowl, combine the mayonnaise, sour cream, lime juice, and chili powder. Give it a good mix until it's nice and smooth. Now, in a large bowl, add the cooked pasta, grilled corn, chopped cilantro, red onion, and our creamy dressing. Toss everything together until it's well coated. Finally, sprinkle on that crumbled cotija cheese. And there you have it. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you never miss a delicious dish.